Well, here at Detroit Diesel,
You can tell that just by the sound. Huh?
oh yeah. So that little blue tugboat, steel towing. So he's the tractor.
Tractor, and the guy behind is the one that's making sure he doesn't.
He's going to make the turn.
He stays straight.
And these guys are busy, busy, busy down here in Dania and then up in Fort Lauderdale on the New River.
Because
It's tight turns. Of course, that boat, that's about an 85-foot Bertram. But when you get 100 and 200-foot boats on the New River, you need that tug assistance.
So do you think? So you think there's nothing wrong with that boat? You think that boat is being towed out because it's just too hard to maneuver in here?
No, he's got some kind of problem.
Oh, okay.
It's either engines or rudders or propellers or something.